Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to download Bendingo mobile banking application on your Android phone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get online access for your Bendingo bank so that you can easily access your bank account from your mobile device or your computer, view your statements, make a payment, transfer money from one bank account to another, and so much more. In order to be able to do that, you can simply download the Bendingo mobile banking application on your mobile device. So, in order to download the application, go and open up your Play Store and also make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. In the search box at the top, type in Bendingo Bank, and once you find the application on the next page, tap on the install button right next to the app. Now wait until your application gets downloaded, which should only take a while if you have a stable internet connection. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you can see an open button. Give it a tap to open and you'll be able to see that you've successfully downloaded the application right on your mobile device. That is how you can easily download Bendingo Bank online banking application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.